Production floor app is an app that runs on the production floor, as the name says. And the reason or the motivation to actually get that done was on the production floor, many companies were running and actually filling out the production by hand. And of course, that is error prone, it's slow, the information is coming in late and all of that. So we of course felt like it was pertinent that we got the app down to the floor level. But there's lots of problems with that in processing facilities, because there's a lot of water, there's a lot of moving parts, people are wearing gloves so interacting with devices is difficult, and we had to overcome all of those issues, and we're still improving on that and getting more apps into the production floor. But it is a critical thing to get right, and it's going to make the operation so much easier to predict, monitor, and just getting the accuracy right. It's extremely important. It also kind of follows our methodology of trying to get the user interface everywhere in the organization. We want people interacting with the system everywhere so that the data is coming in real time and being analyzed, and people can take action on them right away. Yeah, the production floor app was a great win for us to get going, and we're adding on more in the future, and also expanding this one.